お店が何屋さんの前？
Bagus.
Bagus.
Yeah,
3 years.
1.
Whoa.
Joking. We did not do drugs.
海岸にお越しの方にお知らせいたします。花火のお帰りの際は混雑が予想されます。特に海岸の中央の通路は混雑が予想され、通路の通行が制限されます。お帰りの際はお近くの出口から慌てずゆっくりと怪我のないように安全にお帰りください。よろしくお願いいたします。繰り返します。花火のお帰りの際は混雑が予想されます。特に海岸中央の通路は混雑が予想され、通路の通行が制限されます。お帰りの際には
いいですか？
いいですよ。
もう一回。
OK。
ビールは入る。とてもいいですか？
もちろんもちろん。
ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。
じゃあ
600円でやります。ありがとうございます。
すみません。600円。
じゃあこれで、はい。こんな感じで、多分ねこれです。
はい。
あとこれも。
ありがとうございます。
全然いいじゃん。
何ですかこれ？
ラーメンめっちゃ美味しい。
あ、美味しい。どんなラーメンですか？
はい。
塩ラーメンですか？
どうぞ。塩ラーメン。
塩ラーメン。ここに塩ラーメンもありますか？
ここねないんですよ。
他
のお店の。
こういう店ですか？はい。ありがとうございます。はい。
I'm from Shibuya.
Shibuya. Oh, you just mentioned, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, I forgot.
Yeah.
So
I live in Shibuya.
you live in Shibuya.
Yeah.
So you're originally from Tokyo.
Yeah, from Tokyo.
Awesome.
My parents bought Tokyo.
Okay.
So nothing country, another country.
You haven't been to another countries?
You're right.
How did you learn English? Your English is good.
Just watching movie.
Oh, really?
Just a sightseeing.
What do you do as a job in Tokyo?
Tokyo. I have so many work, and so I have therapist.
Therapist?
Yes.
But
Yes, therapist.
what type of therapist?
Cat therapy, access sports, and a little bit spiritual therapist.
Spiritual. Wow. Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, that's right. So nice. And I have a company.
Right.
Yeah, my family's company.
Oh, your family's company.
Yeah, I do DJ.
Well, what do you do?
DJ.
Oh,
music.
DJ. Wow, you do music too.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah. And my friend business help. So jewelry and my friend's business katsudon shop.
Katsudon. Katsudon shop. Okay.
Help. Yeah.
Oh,
so
wow.
everything.
You are very active.
Yeah.
That's
yeah,
really
yeah.
cool.
Right.
Wow, so cool.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Yeah, I have this.
Cheers, by the way.
Cheers.
Kanpai.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much talking about.
Yeah, sure.
そう、私の、あとルーフトップレンタル。そう、バーベキュー and jacuzzi.
Secret space.
Yeah.
Oh,
Barbecue and jacuzzi and sauna.
sauna.
Yeah.
Can I take your video too? Can I
Right.
take?
Okay.
So that's your own place?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, you own a jacuzzi
Right.
and maybe one day I can take a video there.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
In Shibuya.
Shibuya.
Space, Okushibu,
Oh.
Kamiyama-cho.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Near
Good
the
space.
NHK.
Oh, for NHK.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
I usually look for subjects about Japanese culture. That would be awesome if I can take a video in your place.
Right. That's right. But your camera is so nice. Yeah. Wow. So nice.
Thank you. I'm doing a game and video production for like 15 years.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Programming and also design and
So
stuff.
nice.
Oh,
Wow.
Japan experience.
Yeah. YouTube. Usually I do
Okay.
YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah.
Main platform is YouTube.
Main platform is YouTube,
yeah.
but side platform is
yes.
Instagram.
Good man.
Wow.
Yeah.
More.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
so much.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Nice time.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe-
Nice time.
Good, nice
Cheers.
time. Good to be back.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm recording for YouTube actually. Yeah, is it okay? Is it okay?
YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah.
Huh?
Japan Explorer.
He's speaking English.
Oh, yeah.
I read with some.
Just a little.
How from say?
Because I work here.
Oh yeah.
I'm a programmer.
Programmer?
Yes.
Wow,
Thank you.
Wow. Programmer.
Yes.
Wow.
What do you do?
I work in producer.
Producer.
Yeah.
Oh.
In an advertising.
Advertising company. Oh, 素晴らしい。
ありがとうございます。
ありがとう。何しますか仕事は？ちなみに仕事は何しますか？
IT。
IT。Oh, 素晴らしい。ありがとうございました。Bye. Thank you. Have a nice time. Bye bye. Bye bye.